Sony video camera with 4K, and when you film in 4K you need a bigger card, of course. So I bought a card from Toshiba. This is a little bit big enough. Toshiba 128 gigabyte. It's here like okay much, but when you film in 4K you get 3.5 to 4 hour video on this 128 gigabytes. So 3.5 4 hour video is not so much, so we need that if we want to film much in 4K. And of course you want to film much in 4K when you have a camera, a good camera who can do it. And this camera is good. A new camera from Sony. It's surprised me how good it is. It's much better than I could think about. Very happy with it. Film very good, to take good picture too. I bought microphone from Röda, video microphone, much better sound, so you don't have all this noise when it's windy, especially when it's windy, because microphone on video camera is very sensitive and it be much noise. So therefore it's good to have this microphone on top here. Be perfect, very good sound. Okay, so now we should put in this new card from Toshiba, flash memory SDXC SDXC UHS-I Card, 128 gigabyte. It reads speed up to 90 megabits second, and X-ray proof. That's smart when you travel, of course. Yeah, expensive these cards, really. Little bit expensive, but it should be like we need it, so we put it in the camera. We should do it. I have a card from before in here and I want to take that out like this. Here it is in here. You have card like this. There. And I use this micro SD adapter like there. And this one, it's like 64 gigabyte, but 2 hours video, SanDisk Extreme, very good card, but we need a little bit more space. So we have this backup. We have now these two. I think we can make about 6 hours video, 5-6 hours in 4K. That's okay, that's good. There. Here it is. Reading 90 megabits second, 128 gigabyte, Toshiba. Okay. In here it should go. There it is. Now we have to do something here. We have to go to menu. We have to formatter, setup. We have to make a format, memory card, execute. All the data will be deleted when format is proceed. But every new card you should make a formatting. So okay, now we make a formatting. They say so. And then we do, it's okay, it's complete. Okay, 4K, and it's a 4 hours and 20 minutes on this 128 gigabyte. 420 in 4K. Yes, good. Toshiba. And then we have a little backup in this SanDisk 64 GB. So we have over 6 hours video in 4K, and that's good. That's okay. Very nice. So now we can go out and film. Toshiba.